Hi guys, today we will be looking at ending consonant cluster ST. Best, best. Blast, blast. Boast, boast. Bust, bust. Cast, cast. Chest, chest. Coast, coast. Cost, cost. Crust, crust. Dust, dust. East, east. Fast, fast. East, fist. Ghost, ghost. Gust, gust. Jest, jest. Just, just. Last, last. East, least. East, list. Lost, lost. Ast, mast. Ist, mist. Ost, most. Ust, must. Est, nest. Past, past. Est, pest. Ost, post. Est, quest. Est, rest. Ost, roast. Ust, rust. Est, test. Ost, toast. Trust, trust. Ist, twist. Est, west. Ist, wrist. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You will also find videos to help you with grammar. And please remember that our decodable books are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!